Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited to be back and I have a really nice video to share with you guys. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel, and if you haven't done that yet, please do it now, and thank you. For today's video, I will be showing you guys how I did my crochet false locks. I've been watching a couple of videos on YouTube about how people do it, and so I decided to try it and show you how it turned out. So if you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment section. For your information, before doing this hairstyle, I made sure that I treated my hair with avocado, egg, and olive oil mix. I did a previous video on that. You can go check it out. And for the first time, I blow dried my hair with cool air, and I really love how it turned out. So this is the extension that I used. It's longer than I expected it to be, but I mean, that was the only option I got on Amazon. I started by parting my hair, as you can see, 5 on each side. I'm gonna focus on the first section. I tried Shine and Jam. That's the gel I use for this hairstyle. I also applied oil at my scalp. It's a mixture of olive oil, castor oil, and then coconut oil. So I applied it at the base. It's kind of laid my edges really well. I used this band. Before I did this video, I had taken off the hair, and trust me, I didn't lose a lot of hair using this rubber band, so it's worked pretty well. So I twisted the ends of the hair just to keep everything together. And I took the second strand, and then I added the first to it and then tied it. This is a pretty easy process that I think everyone will be able to do it. If you guys noticed, I didn't really tighten the base because I had to pass the crochet through it. Now I'm all done on one side. I did the same on the other side, and it's just left with the back. I decided to put these two together and do cornrows at the back. If you don't know how to do cornrows, you can just do flat twists at the back. So this is when I was doing the cornrows. It took me roughly 2 hours to complete this hairstyle, and I think it was worth it because I had it on for about 6 weeks, I think. Yeah, I'm all done now. This is the back, and it's time to do the crochet. The butterfly locks had a lot of knot, and so it was quite difficult to pull through, as you can see. And so that could be a challenge if you plan on doing this hairstyle. I don't know what I was talking about here. You can see how difficult it was, but I think it can be done. You can see the front. I like how it was looking. It's all done now. I like this hair, however, I would have preferred it shorter, but I wasn't sure if that will work out, but I did it after 1 month and it turned out very well. This is the look after a month. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.